Do you have an irresistible offer? Do you have an offer that addresses something that keeps people up at night? If you don't, you're going to run into problems. You're not going to connect with your audience. You're not going to trigger some internal feeling in them that says, I need this and I need this now. Now, let me go over an example with you that really drives home this point. I was working with a diamond broker, and the diamond broker specialized in identifying the perfect cuts, the diamond cuts with the right clarity, the number of carats, and the color. Those are the 4 C's. And if you talk with people who know diamonds, that's their life. That's their world. Now, the diamond broker that I was working with specialized in providing diamonds to retail stores. So, the jewelry stores, they're needing diamonds for, their clients. So as a result, that's really where they were thinking. Now, this company was moving into the engagement ring business. They had done a lot of one-on-one selling with engagement rings, and this is a profitable area for them. Because not only are they selling the diamond, which is something they're really good at, but they have the ability to use 3D printers to show people this is exactly the ring you're going to get. They can actually put a diamond on it and illustrate it to these guys that are buying diamonds. Now, here's the problem they ran into is guys that are going to be proposing to their fiancés or their girlfriends, soon to be fiancés, don't stay up at night going, how many carats should I buy? What color and clarity should I have? That's not really their world. We did some surveys for them, some good market research. We talked one-on-one with guys when they're proposing, and their biggest concern, the thing that they most want to address is when they propose, I guess they're assuming they'll get a yes, but what they want is to know that that girl is going to get their ring and is going to put it on Facebook, like that. I mean, you've seen the pictures, and that she's going to be super proud of the ring the guy picked for her. The worst thing that we found out a guy could go through is they went through all this effort, spent all this money to get a ring, and the girl's going, oh, this is nice. I mean, that's not what the guy wants. The guy wants to basically hit a home run and know that the girl is going to get exactly what they need. So that enabled us to work with the diamond broker and have them adjust their program so that in working with their guys to be engaged, they're asking them, hey, have you spoken with your fiance's sister, her best friend? Have you guys gone to jewelry store? Have you taken pictures of the rings that she wants? So, the discussion, did include, the 4 C's, the color, clarity, those 4 C's. But it really focused on helping them make sure that the ring was the one that the girl wanted. And that's the thing that does keep the guy up at night. He's thinking, they're going, man, when I propose, is she going to freak out going, wow, what a killer ring? They don't sit around, worrying about, maybe I should have picked 2 more colors up on the chart. So those are the kind of things you really have to think about when you're looking at your course offering, and actually for any offering, especially when you're going online. Can you trigger something in your buyer that really gets to them? And that's where our breakthrough course building system comes in, because we have the templates for soliciting information from your potential clients. We have templates to use for interviewing these folks, getting answers to very simple questionnaires, so that you're gathering not only the information that tells you what is it that's their biggest fear, their biggest concern, what are the things that most frustrate them about what it is that you're offering them, but it also comes up and it works to understand what their dream state. So if they're able to overcome these concerns, these frustrations, their fears, what does their world look like? And so then you build your sales pages for your course, or frankly for anything that you're offering, so that it really triggers on those keywords. So, there's a little bit of NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, built into this, so that the sales and the offer pages that you make really tie into those needs that your audience has. So I hope this is helpful to you. If you want any more information, feel free to PM me, and I'll get you links, to a description for some of our programs. But I'm also open for a 30-minute discussion for free, no obligation, to go over what your course needs are and how we might be of help to you.